Okay, so today we are going to make the rainbow. And this is kind of what the final will look like. We'll tweak it a little bit. But I want to show you how we're making our rainbow. So I went ahead and traced a rainbow shape. So you guys matched it up at the bottom, and then you drew your outline of your rainbow. Now the rainbow goes in a certain order. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. And then if we have room, you can put a pink there. So when I start today, there's one paintbrush, and we're going to show the life skill of patience. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get paint on my paintbrush. I'm going to hold my paintbrush tall. I'm not holding it sideways. I'm holding it tall. And I'm going to paint all the way around on that line. When I get done painting my red, I'm going to give my red paintbrush to somebody else at my table. Then, right underneath that, I'm going to paint my orange. Now I'm going to really try not to touch that red, because then they'll mix. When I'm done with my red, what do? Yellow, and I'm going to pass my orange paintbrush to somebody else. So we're going to go in order. So one person gets to start. After yellow goes green. And again, I'm holding my paintbrush tall. Holding my paintbrush tall. Paint my blue. Paint my purple. Oopsie. And I do have some room, so I'll get some pink for you too, and you can paint your last one pink. When you're done with this, we're going to go put it on the drying rack. Okay, I'm going to show you a few ways that we are going to finish our rainbow. Step one, you've already done that. I'm a little behind. Is you are going to take your cloud pattern and trace it on the white paper and a pencil. Then you are going to outline it. This is a vis-a-vis, and vis-a-vis are kind of fun because when you get them wet, they all blend. So I'm going to paint, and do you see how when I go right around the edges, that marker starts to blend in. So when I hold that up, you can see how the marker is starting to bleed a little bit. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to put that over to the side and let it dry. Now I can work on my sun. Here's my sun, and we've done this before where we put glue all the way around the outside of our sun, and we glue all these little strips all the way around our sun. So those are the two things that we're going to do to get started with. One, you're going to outline your cloud in the vis-a-vis. You're going to have to share the paintbrush. Okay? You're going to have to share the paintbrush. Okay, I've cut my rainbow out. I'm going to cut my cloud out. And your cloud might be a little hard because if it's too wet, it's kind of hard to cut wet paper. It's kind of hard to do anything if it's too wet. So just try your best. If you need to let it dry a little bit longer, that is okay, because my cloud is really wet. Oh, we're watching right now. When I'm done, I'm going to put some glue at the bottom on one side to glue my cloud. And then on the other side, some glue to put my sun. Using a Sharpie. For my sun, I'm just going to make 2 dots and a smile. For my cloud, I'm going to give him sleepy eyes. If you want to give him eyelashes, you can. And then I'm going to just give him a little smile. For my cloud, you're going to need to use a pink marker to give little pink cheeks. But for my sun, I'm going to use a pink colored pencil for cheeks. When it's all done, turn it over and make sure you have your name in a pencil. Write your name on your paper. So, glue your sun on. Glue your cloud on. Add faces. I put Sharpies on your table.
For the faces,